This video will show you how to add the event calendar to your home page, which links to our Parent Portal app. So you can add things to your event calendar, which will be sent or displayed on the app for parents to access. So here I am in my team. I'm in my general channel right here. And what I need to do is I need to go over and click on my home page. Now my home page, what it is it's the SharePoint page that is created every time a team is created. So this is the class SharePoint page. And what I want to do is I want to change this class schedule. I want to delete this class schedule and I want to add the event calendar to this. So I go over to Edit and I click on Edit, and that'll bring me into the SharePoint viewer site here. And you can see as I hover and navigate my mouse around, I am able to highlight certain things. I can see some possibilities to add sections. But what I want to do is I want to hover over here and I'm going to click on it, and when I click on it, it brings up a little toolbar of options here. And what I would like to do here is I'm going to delete this class schedule by clicking on the garbage can here. And then here's this little plus sign right here, which allows me to add a web part right within this section right here. So I'm going to click on this plus sign, and up will pop a series of options that I can add in that place. And what I would like to do is I would like to add my event. Now I've just recently accessed my event, so it's my frequently used, but it is actually found down below in the news, people, and events. So if I click on the event tab here, it's going to add this section here, and I go up to my top right and I click Republish. It changes my view from editing view, so this is now my public viewing view, and all I need to do is click on this little calendar icon right here, and this provides the possibility for me to add the event itself. So I give it a title, I give it a date, time when that event, when it starts and ends, where it is. Now this goes by an actual address section right here, so I could leave it as SBO, but I could also give it a pin on the map. So if I type in an actual address, when people click on there, it'll bring up like a map. Don't worry about this part, because this part provides an online meeting and you don't need that. You could provide a category if you want. Give it a description. And this is if you want to add any items, you would add them as links. So say if you had a handout or a permission form or information about that specific event, you could copy and paste your sharing link from your OneDrive using this. And don't worry about event participants. Make sure that you save it up in the top right. Refresh it so that it goes back to your normal home page. And here you can see it added your event right here, and you could see them all. Like there, it would, list a few of them here, or you could click on the see all and it would start listing them here. You can change the dates of the start and end dates of the viewing list that you would want to see and the different categories. Now if you would like to add an additional event, click on one of the existing events and use the new button up at the top left. This will allow you to create your title, your date, your description, and you click save just as you would with the previous one that I showed you. And now this will show up for any parents who have added the Parent Portal app under their student calendar.